Hi, I'm Alwin. I am 8 years old and today I'm reviewing the book Little Dot and the Strange Green Orb. It's by Sharon C Fergusson. This book is about a little chick named Dot hatches from an egg when suddenly a green orb arrived. In the story, Little Dot had to help her mom and her siblings to push the green orb to the beach below. This book is an adventure because they're out in the wild. On this page, that little doglets are scared of the noisy dog because the dog is near their nest. The little tiny birds were pretty brave. My favorite character is Dot because I love the patterns on his body. The illustrations are really good because they have high detail. My favorite picture is this because Dot made a funny noise when the strange green orb went on her. The message in the story is to keep dogs away from the doglets and other types of birds. The cool thing about this book is it's actually like half fiction and half non-fiction because the drawings are fiction, but it's actually a real problem. And there's also birds called turtles who live on New Zealand beaches. The story reminds me of when me and my brother made a game out of the tennis ball. I think this is something else that I think kids will love about this book. It's that there's lots of rhyming words, almost like a song. I think this book will be good for age groups of 4 to 8 or under. I'm Alwin, and that was my review of Little Dot and the Strange Green Orb by Sharon C Fergusson. You should really get this book because it's a pretty cool book.
Hey, if you enjoyed our review, why don't you hit like? And if you haven't subscribed already, why don't you do that now too? Make sure you share us with your friends and come back for more. We'll have another video for you soon. See ya.